Raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles with warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with string. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnitzel with noodle, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that melt on my nose and eyelashes, yeah. Silver white winters that melt into spring. These are a few of my favorite things.